Welcome to the farm. Meet our amazing farm animals, each with a special role. Let's explore these wonderful animals together. Horse. Strong and fast, horses help on farms by carrying loads and people. They love to run and eat hay. Cow. Gentle and big, cows give us fresh milk. They love grazing on green grass all day. Rooster. The farm's alarm clock. Roosters crow loudly in the morning to wake everyone up. Goat. Playful and curious, goats love to climb and eat almost anything, especially leaves. Goose. Geese honk loudly to protect the farm. They love swimming in ponds and waddling around. Cat. Farm cats help keep the farm clean by chasing mice. They love to nap in cozy spots. Donkey. Donkeys are hardworking and strong, helping farmers carry heavy loads with ease. Rabbit. Soft and fluffy, rabbits love to hop around and nibble on fresh veggies. Sheep. Sheep are covered in wool, which is used to make warm clothes. They love to stay in groups. Camel. Strong and tough, camels can carry heavy loads and go days without water, perfect for desert farms. Duck. Ducks love splashing in water and quacking happily. They lay eggs and keep the farm lively. Buffalo. Buffaloes are strong and help plow fields. They also give rich milk for making dairy products. Deer. Graceful and shy, deer sometimes visit farms to munch on fresh grass.